Okay, let's see how the phone camera works today. I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys this beautiful 67 Pontiac Bonneville that belongs to my father. This car is all original and has never been restored. The paint is original. See, a very spaceship-y looking car. Let's show you the inside. If you look right there, 32,649 miles. And this car has not rolled over because look at the condition of everything on this car. There are no tears, no cracks. The carpet is faded on the hump from the sunlight, but you know, look at these seats. I mean, these seats are just phenomenal. Same thing back here. As you can see, very nice. And I'll show you another little party trick here real quick. So this is a pillarless car. So if we take and roll these windows down, ooh, look at that, Pontiac. That's one for Vinwicky. And as you see, when you roll the windows down, that is one slick looking car. The only damage on the entire car that we can really find is this bubbling right here on the vinyl top. So you can catch that. I'm not sure how good that'll show up. And of course, you know, a little surface rust here and there. Paint's thinned out pretty bad right here. It's really hard to catch paint in the light. But you know, no major dents or dings. Still has the fender skirts. Looks like right in here this was touched up at some point, just because we have some mismatching with the paint going on there, but I don't think that's Bondo though, so I am no body expert though, so don't listen to me. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about when it comes to that stuff, but check out this front end. I've seen much prettier Pontiacs, but that's pretty cool though. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this car. Oh, you better fire it up. If I don't start it, you guys will never know what it sounds like. All right. Stomp it twice. And there we go. The gas gauge has stopped working, and the air conditioning has finally stopped working, but did work when the car was purchased. Everything else works. And the air conditioning will be fixed at some point. I'm gonna crack in the steering wheel there. Energy absorbing. AM radio. Still have the owner's manual in the glove box. Oh, and headliner. Oh, that's in great shape. Back tray's kind of faded, but like I said, everything else on this car is immaculate. So, big shout out to my dad, who's the owner of this car, and own a very lovely car, really. I guess technically this is my mom's car. This is Nancy's car, but it's a nice relic to have in the family. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys soon with another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.